Hello creators and welcome to Vectary. In this two-part series you will learn all about material setting in Vectary. In the first part we will show you the basic material settings and how to import your own materials. Adding materials and textures to your designs is a great opportunity on how to make your 3D objects more engaging or realistic. There are two groups of material settings, basic and advanced. In this tutorial we will focus on basic material settings. In basic material settings you can find their properties such as color, roughness, metalness, opacity, emission and normal map. First let's begin with color property. Here you can change the color of the material. There are two different ways you can do it, use your mouse or simply adjust the values. Here you can adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness. Color, pick any color in the scene or paste in the specific value. You can switch between hex or RGB values. You can switch between different color modes, solid, gradients. If you want to learn how to use animated materials or Figma frames, you can find them in Vectary tutorials. Roughness controls the sharpness of the reflections. It is best used with a reflections effect that you can find in the scene settings. Metalness controls the metalness of a material. This way we can increase or decrease metallic look. We recommend to use either a value of 0 or 100, as in reality objects are either metallic or non-metallic. Opacity is used with opacity maps to simulate grids or fences. The opacity map makes the object partially transparent. Black parts of the map represent parts where texture is transparent. Adding emission to a material causes it to appear as a visible source of light. It is best used with bloom effects under scene settings. Here you can change color of the emission. If you want to make your objects really bright, explore values higher than 100. Normal map is used for simulating shadows on uneven surfaces, grooves or dents. It creates a more detailed texture to the object without increasing its polygons. It is also possible to import your own texture maps for color, roughness, metalness and as a normal map. You can adjust texture with hue, saturation, brightness and contrast. Under the transform menu you can set tiling, offset, rotation and resolution. Be aware that the bigger the texture you use, the more performance heavy the scene gets. Here you can adjust the overlay of the texture with hue, saturation, and brightness. Let's upload other texture maps. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This scene is one of the free sample projects you can see when you open up Vectary Studio. Deconstruct it and use it as a sandbox to discover all of the possibilities. Have fun creating.